Good luck. Aye. Good luck.
Yes.
Will you come here now? Come, let's go to school. There's no time. You're late for school. Let's go to your school now. Enter this bike.
Uncle, you want to take me to my school with this bike? I will never go to that school. Bike that don't have, in fact, this is not bike, it's machine. Machine that don't have headlamp. The tube is out of the tire. Uncle, I better leave to go to school today.
And a bad nigga.
Take this machine out of this compound. Every time you be disgracing us.
You must go to school with this bike.
I'm not going. I'm not going.
Good luck. I say come and enter this bike.
I'm not going to school with this bike.
Good luck, come
Uncle,
here.
I'm not going to school. Leave me alone. Leave me.
Come on, come here now, come here. You must follow me to school with this bike. Today we must go to school with this bike.
Uncle, I'm not
Whether
going.
I like it or not, I'll let to your school.
Leave me alone.
Let me start the bike. You think I'm joking? Who is pushing this thing? It's only the two of us that is in this bike. Who's pushing it?
It's the wind now. Is it not the wind that is pushing it? Carry me down first.
Stay there. Lord of Zachariah. Good luck, come down. Stay there. Good luck, so you're the one pushing this bike.
Thanks for watching this sweet comedy video. Subscribe, like and share with your friends. Don't be stingy. Please subscribe, please. We need more subscribers, please. Thank you for watching this sweet comedy. Thank you. Uncle, please help me with 1,000 naira. I want to use it and buy something I eat.
1,000. Good luck. I cannot give you money from this morning. I want to use it and do something. I cannot give you.
Uncle, just 1,000 naira.
I said no. I will not give you money from this morning.
Uncle, do you know you are stingy?
Me stingy. I want to use the money and do something.
Uncle, bet me I'll collect this money from you.
I should bet you. You will collect the money. How?
Bet me.
The money is with me and not with the money.
Just bet me first.
You cannot do anything.
I'll collect it from you.